Azure Synapse Dataset is a fundamental component of Azure Synapse Analytics, a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse service offered by Microsoft. In this tutorial, we will explore what Azure Synapse Dataset is, its key concepts, and best practices for using it effectively. First, let's define what a dataset is. A dataset is a collection of data that can be used for analysis, reporting, and data science. In Azure Synapse, a dataset is a logical representation of data that can be used to create reports, perform data analysis, and train machine learning models. To create a dataset in Azure Synapse, you need to connect to a data source, such as a database, data lake, or file storage. Once connected, you can define the structure of the dataset by specifying the columns, data types, and other properties. You can also apply data transformations, such as filtering, sorting, and aggregating, to prepare the data for analysis. There are several types of datasets in Azure Synapse, including relational datasets, which are based on structured data, and non-relational datasets, which are based on unstructured or semi-structured data. Relational datasets are typically used for reporting and data analysis, while non-relational datasets are used for data science and machine learning. When working with datasets in Azure Synapse, it's essential to follow best practices to ensure data quality, security, and performance. One best practice is to use data validation to ensure that the data is accurate and consistent. Another best practice is to use data encryption to protect sensitive data. In terms of practical examples, Azure Synapse Dataset can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as creating a sales report, analyzing customer behavior, or predicting sales forecasting. For instance, a company can create a dataset that combines sales data from different regions, and then use that dataset to create a report that shows sales trends and patterns. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Dataset is a powerful tool for working with data in the cloud. By understanding the key concepts, types of datasets, and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse and gain insights that drive business decisions. With its flexibility, scalability, and security, Azure Synapse Dataset is an essential component of any data-driven organization.